Let's do some more SQL. This question appeared in an Amazon interview. The most expensive products per category. In this question, they're asking, find the most expensive products on Amazon for each product category. Output category, product name, and the price as a number. They have specified here as a number because if you look at the column data type for price, it's actually of type string, which is varchar, right? So we gotta make sure we convert that into numeric form for our calculation purposes. One more thing you will notice when I look at this table here is the price column. Price column has this $sign here, which is a special character, right? So we gotta make sure we remove that. So how are you gonna approach this problem? It's a pretty simple problem, right? Find the most expensive product based on the product category. So your first instinct might be to use a group by clause, right? What I'll be doing here is not to use group by clause, and I'll be using a window function, which I feel is even a better approach than using group by clause. So I'll be using window function, more specifically a dense rank window function, because I'll be ranking the most expensive product in the product category, and I'll be ranking that based on the pricing. So if it's most expensive, I'll be ranking that as rank 1 and so on. Okay. So how I'll be approaching this problem? I'll be approaching this problem in a very simple way. So let's say we have this, I'll be creating a first CTE, which will be doing all the cleaning. Okay. So this will be my first CTE. This will be doing all the cleaning, meaning I'll make sure I convert this pricing column into a numeric form. I'll also make sure I remove this $sign here. And then what I'll do here is I'll use this CTE to create one more CTE. It's so that I can add this ranking column, which will be an extra column. So I'll do that in the second CTE. And after that, it's pretty simple. I'm just going to run my SQL query to select the columns that I need, and that's it. So let's say I have this column here, right? Let's select price. Let's select that. And how can we remove? So how can we remove that $sign from it? Let's do that first. Okay. So we will be using a replace function from Postgres, which is replace, and then you're gonna supply the column that you wanna work on, and we're gonna replace the $sign with an empty string. Okay. So let's run that, and as you can see, we have that $sign removed now. But this is still of type string, aka varchar. So let's force this column to be of type numeric. How do you do that? You can use double colon and just type numeric. This will convert that varchar into numeric form. And let's see. Yeah, obviously it won't show anything. It will be 50, 11, 60. Again, it keeps the decimals there, which is a good thing. So yeah, so you have now replaced the $sign. You have also converted that column now into numeric form. So this is all good. So let's bring back all those other columns that we need. We need product category. We don't need all the columns from that table. We only need specific ones because they're asking category, product name, and price, right? So product category, we have the price here. What else? Product name. That's what we need, right? Okay, so product name, product name, and let's keep that price. So I'm just gonna arrange this here so it's visible, and let's make this as price. Okay, so let's run it, make sure everything works. Let's put this into a CTE1 with CTE1. And now let's use this to add the ranking column. So by the way, you can do all of this into just one CTE. That is, you can replace, you can do the data cleanup, meaning you can replace the $sign, you can convert that into numeric, and you can also add that dense rank column in just one CTE. but it just makes my life so much easier when I split that into multiple CTEs, much more readable. So that's why I'm adding this another CTE here. But again, you can do it in just one CTE, not a big deal. So CTE2 as, let's bring back all the columns, select star, and let's add that dense rank. I'm using dense rank because this is much better to work with compared to just rank. For this specific scenario, partition by product category, and order by price in descending, and from CTE1, and let's see what we get. So what's going on here? I'm using a dense rank window function. I'm using this window here, which is partitioning the table by product category, which is what we need, right? And then we are ordering in that specific product category, we're ordering that window based on the price in descending order, meaning the highest price in that category will be on top and it will have the rank 1. Okay, so let's run it and see. Okay, syntax error, select star, what's going on? Yeah, because I gotta close this CTE here, and I gotta call that CTE now. So select star from CTE2. Okay, what's going on? There you go. So as you can see here in this category for browse, I can see the ranking of the most expensive item, which is 69.99 is 1. Let's see the other category if we have it here. Okay, oh, there you go. Panties, in this category, this is the most expensive of 59.99. The rank is 1 again, and that's what we want, right? So now what we can do here is I can just do select. What columns are they asking? They're asking category, product name, and price. Okay, so product category, product name, price, where dense rank equals 1. You know what? Let me rename this column not to dense rank, but much more. Let's make this price rank, I guess. Where price rank equals 1. So what this price rank equals 1 going to do is it's actually going to select products with the highest price in those categories. So for browse category, it's going to be this product here. For panties, it's going to be in this product here. Okay. Okay, let's run it. And there you have it. Your product category, product name, and price. Let's see if this is the answer. And that's the answer. So what I did, I just did made a CTE. I did some data cleanup for that specific column. Then I did a second CTE. I added a ranking column. So that's all the CTE is doing, the second one. And then the third one, it was just a query that selected rank 1, which means the most expensive product in that category. And that's it.